Alright guys, so today I just want to do something dear to my heart from my core. I want to do some outdoor cooking. Now, let me tell you what inspired this. So what day Sunday I cooking I'm saying I do a bag of things. I angle some lobster, I angle some fried chicken, and I angle some fried fish. Cook late. Normally when I know I do so much cooking, I try to cook early. But I did I don't cook late because I did order some things from Seven Crave, like Island, them things that I never say. And Seven Crave kind of take long to deliver the thing, them wait up in the afternoon. Them did apologize still, but that did make me get a late start to the cooking. Though I never waste my time, I did go and season up the things them beforehand. So when the little things them come on, I did need, would I get to cooking. Tell me why my guests done on Sunday.